I was thinking at this point, I'll see people going and coming, but I'm seeing no one and I don't know the place. So it won't be too much of a good idea to proceed. Um, I believe that the place is a good place, and I may have to do with some form of escort. I mean, I shouldn't come here alone, and so basically that will be it. But for some reasons best known to me, I really think it's good I do it with an escort, especially being my first time. I have seen the place, not really, but I have come to. If I had gotten someone who would go with me, that would have been better. So I'll just continue. I mean, go back home, and then I'll be doing my work in, in about 2 or 3 days later, and so that'll be it for now.